Yes, it's true. Some niches really are much better than others when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing. And your choice of a niche to enter has a bigger impact on your profit potential than almost anything else you do in the course of building an affiliate marketing business. I'm Andrew Hansen from digitalworth.com, and in this video we're going to talk about the 5 best kinds of niches for affiliate marketing, so you can pick one that suits you and get started. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you hear immediately when we release new videos on how to grow your income with affiliate marketing. Okay, so I'll start with a tiny rant here first. You might have seen other experts list these specific markets like golf or insurance or finance and say, these are the best markets for affiliate marketing. But the truth is, there are no best niches for affiliate marketing. There are only best niches for affiliate marketing for you. The main thing we do as affiliate marketers is create content. You could be in the best niche in the world, but if you can't create good, valuable content in that niche and create it consistently, you won't make any money. And it's pretty hard to create good content consistently on a topic you have no interest in. Even if you outsource all the content to writers who really are interested in this niche, you still have to do the research. You still have to create the briefs for the content. You still have to be able to spot opportunities in the market. You still have to find some way to be unique to that group of people. So yeah, golf might be a great niche for affiliate marketing. But if you don't play golf, what are the chances you're going to do all of that work for months on end and do it well enough to be better than your competitors and actually be successful? In our experience, the chances are pretty low. You want to know the absolute best niche for affiliate marketing for you? It's the niche where something you're knowledgeable in or skillful at or passionate about intersects with a market that's commercially viable. And since I don't need to tell you what you're already skillful and knowledgeable and passionate about, we can use this video to discuss the 5 main elements that make a niche market commercially viable for affiliate marketing. Are you ready? Here goes. Number 1, the best kinds of niche for affiliate marketing is a niche where lots of products need to be bought by the same person. And the more expensive those products are, the better the niche. As an example, think of 2 niche markets, skateboarding and cycling. If someone's getting into skateboarding, they have to buy the board, which has 4 main parts, and that's it. Maybe they buy some skate videos or shoes, but there's not much more. If someone's getting into cycling, on the other hand, not only do they need the bike, which costs so much more than a skateboard, but there are so many more individual component parts to a bike. Then you need the shoes and the helmet and maybe some lights and maybe a lock. You need to get some Lycra, shave your legs, develop a midlife crisis. Sorry if you're a cyclist. But there's so much more stuff that you need. There's more stuff and it's more expensive. For that reason, cycling makes a better niche for affiliate marketing than skateboarding. What you don't want as an affiliate marketer is to hit a ceiling on the number of products you can discuss in your market. Each product that people in your niche might buy is an opportunity for affiliate revenue. So the more and the more expensive products there are, the better the niche is. Number 2, second best kind of niche for affiliate marketing is a niche that's timeless. What you don't want as an affiliate marketer is to invest time and money in a site that's in a trendy niche that, even if it makes money, ends up coming to nothing after a year or 2. For an example, rather than starting a website on the paleo diet, which may or may not still be popular in a few years, I'd prefer to start an affiliate site on the topic of weight loss or muscle building or eating to minimize the risk of disease, because those are pretty timeless human desires that will still be around whatever happens to the paleo diet. The best situation for your affiliate site is one where you can take advantage of big trends without being dependent on those trends for your revenue. So, on that muscle building website I was thinking of, I would totally still have content on the paleo diet. Why not? Lots of people are looking for it. There are lots of products to buy. It looks like a good opportunity. But if or when that popularity dies, all the rest of my site's content will still be there to make money. I'm not going to cry if suddenly my paleo diet content isn't getting traffic anymore. Make sense? Okay, let's look at number 3. Number 3, best kind of niche for affiliate marketers is a niche with just the right breadth. Think about frying pans. Frying pans are a good product to sell for affiliates. There are lots of them to review and compare, and they can get pretty expensive. So, you should start an affiliate site on frying pans, right? Well, Okay, so would it be better to go broad and to start an affiliate site on cooking? That way you could cover frying pans, but also knives and slow cookers and ice cream makers. Right? The question is actually one of the trickier ones for new affiliates to answer, and that's partly because there is no perfect answer. In fact, both of those sites I described above could be pretty successful. The risk for the first site is that it hits an income ceiling where there are just no more frying pans to write about. And the risk for the second site is that it ends up everything to everyone and so nothing to anyone. It can be too broad and too generic without enough expertise or depth in any one area to build credibility and gain traction. I think there's a better way to think about this question, and it's somewhere in between those two extremes. I think the best bet for affiliate marketers is to decide that you're going to serve a specific group of people and to cover everything that's interesting and exciting to them. Think about someone who buys one of those George Foreman grills. They are removing fat from their meats for health purposes. Compare it to someone who buys a deep fryer. That decision is not about health, it's about pleasure. I think those are cool frameworks to build an affiliate site around, rather than just thinking about individual products. If it's the pleasure angle, you could focus on doing baking and frying and ice cream making. If it's the health angle, you might do grilling or dehydrating or blending. Both of those angles leaves you with a huge number of products to promote and a high ceiling without having to be boring or generic. More than that, both of those angles are about passion. They allow you to write with emotion and develop a unique voice that your audience can really connect with and come to love. And the fourth best kind of niche for affiliate marketing is a niche with development potential. Affiliate marketing is, of course, just one way to monetize a website. The best kind of niches are the ones that have the potential to expand into other forms of monetization beside affiliate marketing as the business grows. Lots of great websites do affiliate marketing and also, say, run advertising or sell their own products. And it's that selling your own products that you really want to leave the door open for when you're starting your own affiliate site. For reasons we won't get into in this video, selling your own products is generally the business model with the highest amount of leverage and the highest potential, but it has higher costs, and so it's rarely the best business model to start out with. So what we like to do is pick niches where you can easily imagine products that you might be able to develop and sell to that same audience, even if it's not until years down the line. Don't worry if you don't know yet how you could make a product, or you don't know what kind of product it would be. It's only important that you can easily imagine some product that suits that audience that you could possibly sell. Here's an example. Say you start a site on acne. There's plenty to write about, there's plenty of questions to answer, and plenty of acne products to sell as an affiliate. But what's the development potential? You probably won't be able to, or be wanting to, develop an acne treatment of your own, and all of the how-to kind of information you'll probably be covering in content on your site. The development potential there is pretty limited. But a site on skincare, even if it's just facial skincare, would have the same high number of products to promote as an affiliate, but with more options for simple products you could develop on your own, say brushes or makeup removers, as well as info kinds of products around makeup or aging or something else. So, a niche is better the more potential you can imagine for development into selling your own products. Okay, last of all, number 5, best kind of niche for affiliate marketing is a niche with a problem to solve. Question: have you ever had bed bugs? I actually did once have the horrible experience of waking up covered in bites and realizing that tiny critters were nibbling on me as I slumbered. Why am I telling you this? Because some years ago, bed bugs was a hot niche for affiliate marketing, and there's an important reason why. You can want a new frying pan, but you need to get rid of bed bugs. You might spend hours researching for frying pans, comparing one to another and weighing up all the different features before making a decision a few weeks later. But if you're trying to get rid of bed bugs, you're Googling and you're making the decision today. It can be a big advantage to start your affiliate site in a niche where, in at least some of its little corners, people have a really urgent problem to solve. That kind of content can get really high conversion rates, making you good money for a small amount of traffic, which can really help in the early stages of starting a new site. I don't recommend starting a site just on one urgent problem like that, so don't start a site on bed bugs. But if you pick a niche where that could form part of your content and strategy, you'll be better off. Okay, that's it. Those are the 5 best kinds of niche for affiliate marketing. Remember, there's no best niche, only the best niche for you. Use this criteria to find a market that lines up nicely with a personal interest or passion of yours, and you'll be on track to profit. Remember to hit the subscribe button to get more videos on earning a living with affiliate marketing, and we'll see you again soon. We done? I got itchy.